OTN Directory. The OTN Directory provides members with easy access to specialists, programs, telemedicine sites, and community services. It's a secure place to promote, coordinate, and manage healthcare services. To access the OTN Directory, click on the Directory link from within the OTN Hub. At the top of the directory page is a quick search field. From here, you'll be able to make searches by person, site name, specialty, place, and keyword. Below are 3 handy guided searches that will enable you to search for sites in a specific area or located near a desired address that will host patients for telemedicine events, locate specialists that accept patient referrals or e-consult requests, search non-telemedicine-based community sites and services based in Toronto. The telemedicine site filters enables a consultant, specialist, or healthcare professional to locate a site that supports virtual patient care. From here, you can search by address and the peripheral devices supported. Please ensure that you complete both these fields before making the search. You can also find sites that have nursing support available. If you know the site location, you can search by the specific site name or number directly. Once you have selected the filters, click Search and the directory returns a list of matching sites. Selecting a title provides information that includes the services provided, office contact, as well as related services and programs. On the left of the screen is a Google map for route planning. Additional filters at the side enable you to narrow your search criteria. These filters include site, peripherals, and accessibility. Furthermore, these filters help you prioritize those that accept patients and have a complete profile. The Specialist Guided Search enables a primary healthcare provider or telemedicine site to find consultants in the province who use virtual care tools such as video conferencing to see patients or e-consult. The e-consult service enables doctors or registered nurses to consult with a specialist or specialty group through a secure web-based application. For the Toronto area, you can also search for physicians that accept in-office referrals. From the specialist filters, you can also search by the area of specialty and location. You can select multiple specialties and locations when you're making a search. If you know the specialist name, you can search directly for the specific specialist or program. Once you have selected the filters, click Search and the directory returns with a list of matching results. Each of the profiles provides some key information as to whether the specialist is accepting office referrals, video conference referrals, or e-consult referrals. Selecting a title provides further information that includes the CPSO specialty, telemedicine services provided, clinical protocols, and forms, as well as contact information. For specialists in the Toronto Central LHIN, the profile lists details about their in-person office-based services. Additional filters at the side enable you to narrow your search criteria and include profile, services offered, and specialty. Please note that the results only display specialists that offer non-telemedicine services in the Toronto Central LHIN. The Community Services filters allows you to make searches based on specific categories, such as the type of population or a given topic. You can also search by a keyword and/or address to determine the most appropriate location. Once you have selected the filters, click Search and the directory returns with a list of matching results. Selecting a title provides information that includes the services provided, languages spoken, accessibility, fees, and the application process. You can also access office contact information from this page. On the left of the screen is a Google map for route planning. Additional filters at the side enable you to narrow your search criteria. Please note that the results only include community programs that do not provide telemedicine services.
Making a search in the directory. The general search field enables you to search all data elements within the OTN directory. which may include some non-telemedicine-based results depending on the search. From here, you'll be able to make searches by person, site or service name, specialty, place, or any other keyword. If you're not sure of a name, you can use the first 2 or 3 characters to maximize your search results. To initiate a search, simply type in the keyword in the search field and press the search button. In this case, we'll search by specialty. This will bring up results by healthcare provider, sites, groups, programs, and base managed specialties that match your search term. A healthcare provider or specialist can be identified by a silhouetted head icon, and a site is represented by a building. A group, program, or managed specialty is represented by a set of heads and a community center with an open palm. You can further narrow your searches by utilizing the filter features. For example, you can choose to search for only people who are physicians and are accepting video conferencing referrals, where you filter people based on profile, specialty, location, accepting referrals, and wait times. Furthermore, you can search by place using variables such as the types of peripherals supported as well as specific site information. You can select one or multiple filters when narrowing your search results. Please note that the location filter lists only those cities that apply to the entries in your search results. The specialty filter lists only those specialties practiced by people in your search results. The Directory Site Finder tool enables you to initiate a proximity search. For instance, if you enter a full or partial address, the directory displays a Google map identifying OTN sites located near the address provided. This is a great tool when determining if a site is convenient and suitable for a patient. In many cases, if you just type the location, city, or town name when initiating a search, the directory will automatically display an embedded Google map of the location. Simply click the link to view a full map view, including your search results. You can further narrow your search by clicking the filters link. When you roll over a specific marker, you can view a site's address and get directions instantly. When you click the title of interest, the profile screen appears that includes key information such as the services and programs offered, the clinical protocols, coordinator contact information, as well as resources available at the site. Viewing other profiles. To view the profile page, please click on the profile link of interest. A person or site's profile details contains demographic and contact information about the person or site, as well as information about the telemedicine services they are involved with. The action buttons appear on the profile depending on the OTN services that the member is registered for. The action buttons include starting a video conference call, submitting an e-consult, as well as printing a hard copy of the profile details. You can also view a Google map to find the specific geographic location of the consultant or site. Updating your profile. Building and updating your profile in the directory helps you manage your telemedicine practice the way you want, while giving referring physicians greater access to your specialized areas of practice. Your profile provides vital information about the services you offer, including specialized areas of practice, protocols, and relevant referral and scheduling instructions. Keeping an up-to-date profile in the directory helps you to share, coordinate, and manage the services you offer to ensure that you receive the right referrals with all the information you need. To update your profile, select the Edit Directory Profile from the options provided. Your profile details screen will appear. If you need to make any alterations to your profile, click the Edit at the top of the screen. Here are a few things to take into consideration when updating your profile. Changing your account address does not change your address in the OTN directory. Your directory profile is not the same as your OTN account information. To update CPSO fields, you'll need to contact the College of Physicians and Surgeons of Ontario. To update other read-only fields, you'll need to contact OTN's customer service team at 1-855-654-0888. Physicians not registered with OTN must register for an OTN Hub account in order to access and update their profile information. As you're making changes, use the tips and hints question mark icons for additional information and support. For a person, the profile is broken into the following sections. General information is where you'll provide personal and background details such as preferred name, CPSO or college provided specialty information, credentials, and the languages supported. If you're a specialist in the Toronto Central region, the In-Office Services section is where you can describe your specific areas of clinical interest, subspecialties, and other key referral-related information, such as wait times, patient eligibility, referral process, urgent cases, clinical protocols, and referral process for your primary and additional office-based practices. This information helps primary care providers learn more about your scope of practice for accepting patients and ensures you receive the correct referral type. The Telemedicine Services section is where you can select the virtual care services offered and describe in detail the specialty areas that you serve through virtual care. The Video Conference Referrals and eConsult Advice section is where you describe your key requirements for using virtual care services, such as patient eligibility criteria, availability, instructions, forms, and protocols. This helps primary care providers or patient sites learn more about your telemedicine scope of practice and ensures you receive the correct referrals for seeing patients by virtual care. Telemedicine office contact information is populated using information from your OTN account. The practice address is the physical location of your primary office. This is the published address that is available to healthcare providers searching the directory and is used to generate the Google map accessed from the directory. After you've updated your profile, always click the Save button to validate the changes made. If you need administrative permissions to edit or create a person's profile, contact your organization's OTN primary contact or your OTN account manager. To learn more about updating the telemedicine site and group and program profiles, please refer to the reference guides available in the support section.